What is up, guys? So as you guys can see the thumbnail, I got a new whip, and guess what I got? Instagram already saw what I got, but you guys can guess. I'll give you time to guess. Something I wanted for a long time. I mean, it's something close to one of my previous cars, the 370Z, but it's not exactly 370Z. But it's something, close enough. It has the same motor and everything. I hope that's a good hint right there.
Come on, think.
Well, you guys had enough time to guess. Let me show you what I got. This is my new car. What do you guys think? This is a 2014 Infiniti Q60 Sport model. It has the brand new brakes and everything. It's perfect. It's basically a G37, but they changed the name from G's to Q's, and I don't know why, but everything else is just the same. It's really nice inside and outside. And I'm not a big fan of red, but this red is just different. It's kind of dirty, but it still shines, And this red is like completely different, which made me fall in love with it. Like when I first saw the pictures online, I didn't really like the pictures online, but once I actually went to see it in person, oh man, I fell in love with it. And the best part is manual. You know how hard these cars are to find manual with low miles too. This car only had 38,000 miles. Sorry for the wind noise and the background noises. But yeah, this car only had 38,000 miles. And you know how hard it is to find those cars. But you guys can see it's clean. It's nice. It didn't have any scratches at first, but the detail guys literally ruined it. They scratched it up after trying to detail it, and it messed up some of the paint, and I might do paint correction soon. But for now, I'm just gonna drive it like this, clean it up a little bit once I get a chance. And I have a few plans for it. You guys recommend me some stuff down below if you can, because I was wanting a G37, and I ended up getting the 370Z. Now I finally got something like a G37. I mean, it is a G37. It's just changed the name in Q's, so Q60. But yeah, my first thing I'm doing soon is the window tint. This car came with the window tint, but the dealership took it off because I guess it was the illegal limit. But I'm gonna be doing tint soon. That's the first thing I'm gonna be doing. Well, not first thing, second thing, because I'm also gonna be installing some lights, some door lights. They're like, when you open the door, you'll see Infiniti logo. Let me show you right now what they look like right now. So, I know the interior's mess. I got junk in here. It's a small car. It's not like big as like my Optima, so I got junk everywhere. Yeah. And it's literally nice. As you can see, it's manual. I got the nav and everything. It's perfect. But these are the lights I'm talking about right here. I'll be swapping those. I'll be swapping those with the Infiniti logo lights soon. Probably today. Maybe in this video. We'll see. As you guys can see, this is all stock. Still stock under the hood. The exhaust is stock too. And I probably got intakes down the road, but not right now. I really want to get exhaust soon because it's very quiet. And I'm not sure what I'm going to get. I really want to get the same exhaust that I had on my Z, the SR dual street exhaust. But I don't see any options for this car. Motordyne is like the best one out that I can get for this car. But they're like $1,000 and more, so I don't know, we'll see. But I really want to make this car sound nice. I can't deal with the quietness, as you guys know. My Optima is the only quiet car I had so far. All my other cars have been like loud, not crazy loud, but loud enough. I definitely don't want to get Tommy for this car because this car has dual exhaust, and I want to keep that dual. I don't want to change it to single exit exhaust. It's a pretty decent car. You got the backup camera and everything. I mean, I don't really care about that part, but still, it's nice to have. Got the stagger set of wheels right here. Got the sport brakes.
What? Amber, look! It's got Bill Bob brakes on it. That thing is nice.
Mom, it's Brembo.
Has a sunroof. Oh yeah, and guess what? You want to know what's my favorite feature about this car? Watch this. I miss this so much. I miss this window roll feature on my Z. It's the best thing ever. I apologize for the wind noise again, guys. But yeah, this window roll down feature is the best thing ever. I mean, yeah, I love the manual. Don't get me wrong. That's the best part about this whole car. But the window is like the next best thing about it. And it got heated seats too. As you guys can see, it's like full leather. Got like completely adjustable seats. You can move this forward, backward. You can put the seats down. Use this button to move it forward. And put the seats back and then move it back, which is very handy. As you guys can see, 39,000 miles. I already put in 500 miles on this car. I had it for about 2 weeks now. And, you know, that's a lot for me, really, because all my cars I've been, you know, what do you call it? I don't really drive that much, but, you know, like my Z, I love that car so much. I found an excuse to drive it every time. And this is the same car like the Z, and, you know, I found reason to drive this car every time. And I go to work, I drive almost like 35 minutes to work every day, so that's one of the reasons too. But on my days off, I still find an excuse to get out of the house and drive this beast. It's not slow, it's not fast, it's just right. It's definitely not fast as my Z. I mean, same motor and everything, but the tune is different. Plus, this car is a lot heavier than the Z. And it has the back seats, as you can see, which makes it heavier too. But overall, this car is nice, and I always wanted a G37, and I finally got one. But yeah, it's great. I love it, and that's all that matters. Almost got a Mustang, 2018 Mustang GT, but I ended up not getting that because it was too expensive. And I'm not getting that Mustang because it was too expensive, and it would hurt my pocket a lot if I got that Mustang. I'll probably get one down the road, but not right now. This is perfect for me. It's a good daily driver. It's a great show car. It's great everything. I had to get rid of my Kia Optima. I know I said it, I was going to keep it forever because it had the lifetime motor and everything, but still, it wasn't worth it because that car was literally falling apart. The first owner literally destroyed that car, and, you know, I didn't want to just keep it for the motor and had to pay all the crazy repairs and stuff that was falling apart on that car. So yeah. And by the way, guys, if you want to buy my radio and the harness and everything for that Kia Optima, let me know, because it'll work for 2013, I think 2011 to 2013 SXL model with the navigation only. If you don't have navigation, there is another. You gotta like mess with the harness, but I want to sell it as is, so, you know, it's plug and play harness. It comes with the dash kit, comes with that Pioneer radio, comes with the harness, so it'll return your backup camera and your factory amp, and it has CarPlay and everything, so it's definitely better than the aftermarket. I mean, not aftermarket, it's better than the factory radio, because the, you know, the older factory radios, they're outdated, they're not even updated. You gotta pay like $500 to update your maps, which is stupid. I'd rather just spend like $200 and get a new radio. But yeah, if you message me, I'll give you a price for my radio, maybe a best offer or something. Just message me, I'll see what I can do. It's still for sale. So overall, my 2014 Infiniti Q60S is the best car. that I was able to get right now after, you know, my Optima not really being great. I had to get something sooner and affordable, and this was it. I had to jump on it because it was perfect, low miles, excellent condition, no issue at all, manual. And I was taking well care. I think it was someone's weekend car because it has really low miles for 2014 and a manual, which is insane, you know. But yeah, let's get to installing the door lights because I want to get that and get a night shot of it. Okay, let's get to it. So these are the lights I got. And we're gonna put these on the door. So let's get to it. First, you'll need a pry tool. So use a trim roll tool and use that. This it should come right out like that. Just like that. And then you just press this clip right here and pull the cable and unplug it. I'll do that real quick. There you go, the old light is out. And we're gonna install the new light. So this is the new light. And this is the old one. You guys can see it plugs right in. Let me see the Infinity logo on my hand. But yeah, it plugs right in and it should pop right in too. Go like this and then there you go. Okay, it works. You guys can see it's working. I'm just gonna put it back right in there. Looks like that, and it works. I'll take a night picture in a bit. Look at that, guys. It's amazing. Perfect.